Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the air filter cover on this Briggs Stratton engine, you will need a 5/16" nut driver. Before you begin this procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. Use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the old air filter cover, if still intact. To install the new air filter cover, insert the pre-cleaner into the cover first, followed by the air filter with its rubber gasket facing outward. Then align the cover on the base and secure it with the screws.